Hello everyone, welcome to Jet to Mastery. In this video we are going to solve pattern 3. The prerequisite is pattern 1 and pattern 2, and please be follow with the order. Okay, so don't watch the video like pattern 10 and pattern 4, pattern 2 like that. Please be follow the order, then only you can solve all kind of pattern, because we are following from easy to just hard kind of patterns we are following. Okay, so each and every pattern have some category level. So this pattern 3 is completely different from pattern 1 and 2. Not completely, it has something similar to pattern 1 and pattern 2, but it has some concept extra. Okay, so without delay, let's get into the explanation. So as I said earlier, we have a 4 steps to solve any kind of pattern. First, look at the credential. What are the credentials are we need for to make the first line? Only for first line. Okay, the credential is declare the credential. Okay, so what are the credentials are there? Star as well as space. We can't blindly say only star is there, because before the star there is some space also there, right? So my credentials is space and star. Okay, so declare two things. One is space. Okay, another one is, we will discuss how many space and how many star we will discuss, then int star. Okay, so my next question is, how many space is there, how many star is there? So my space is, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces there. Only one star is there in the first line. So what, before getting into the loop, we will declare how many star and how many space is there in only first line. So we are declaring for only the first line. Okay, so can I declare my space is 4 and my star is 1? Is it right? So what do you think? Is it right? No, because as I said here, it's not a globalized code. If you declare like this, so we will get the output only for whenever the given input is 5. That time only it will work. But our constraint is too large. N can be 10, N can be 7, N can be 100, N can be 1000, anything. Okay, our code should be work whatever the N. So it should satisfy all the constraints. So how can we declare? See, if you have, let's say your N is 5, you will get 4 space, right? Then 1 star. So if your N is 10, you will get 9 space and 1 star. So can I declare my space is N minus 1 time? If it is a 5, I will get 4 space. If it is a get, I'll get 9 space. If it is a get, like if I get N as 13, I will get 12 space. So can I declare my space equal to N minus 1 time? Yes, absolutely. Then what is star? Whatever, it will starts with 1 only, right? So my star is equal to 1, that is fine. Okay, so my second rule, we need to construct the number of rows. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows are there. What is my input? My input is also 5. So my row is equal to given input. So I need to construct the outer loop, that's for making the number of rows. So for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. This is nothing but this is my outer loop. Outer loop. It's equal to given input, so I have equalized. I equal to 1 to n times. Okay. In the first row, what are the credential? The third step is follow the credential order. Which one is present first? So space is present first, after that only star is there, right? Space, star, space, star, space, star, space, star. You need to check all the line. The first thing is space, second thing is star. So we need to make 2 loop. One is for our space, another one is for our star. So now we are in the third step. Follow the credential order. The credential order is first space, second is star. So for int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to space, j plus plus. Here we need to print the space. So system dot out dot print of nothing but just space. That's it. Okay. After that, after printing the space, what we need to, this is our space loop. So after printing the space, we need to print continuously, we need to print our star also. So this is for my star loop. For int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to star, then j plus plus. So make it star, system.out.print. So this is my star. Okay, so this is star loop. Okay, so after I make the space and star, I make the first line. So I made 4 space and 1 star. After that, what I have to do? I need to move my cursor from here to here, which means I need to create a new line. So let's create the new line. System.out.println. Okay, now my cursor is here. Next, the last step is update the credential for upcoming lines. For in this line, how many space is there? 4 space in here. See, let's write here 4 space and 1 star. For the next line, okay, now we are coming to the next line. How many space? It's 3 space and 2 star, right? In the next line, now just come to the next line. Here 2 space, then 3 star. So what will happen? My space will decreasing by 1 value. In the first line 4 space, second line it has 3 space. The upcoming lines it will reduced. It will decremented by 1. So I can update my space as space minus minus. What will my star happen? Star is first line 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star. So my star variable is incremented by 1. In each row it will incremented by 1 value. So can I declare my star as star plus plus? That's it. So we followed these 4 lines, these 4 steps, right? So let's try. We'll check whether it is working or not. If my given input is 5, yeah, this is what we need, right? Let's give some other input like 10. Yeah, it's working. This is what we are expecting, right? So, and this is the globalized code as well. So please follow the steps. And in our pattern 1 and pattern 2, we have only 1 credential, that is star. But here we have 2 credentials, that is space and star. So I hope you have understood, and I don't want to. Okay, for only this question, we'll do some dry run. Then after the upcoming question, we'll stop our dry run because you can understand. Okay. See, my n is equal to 5. And my star is equal to, for the first step it is 1, my space equal to n minus 1, that is 4 times. My space is 4 times. Here my I loop will start from 1 to 5. So 1 less than or equal to 5, condition true. If the condition is true, how many space I need to print? 4 space. So 1, 2, okay, we'll draw here. The condition is true. So we need to print 4 space, 1, 2, 3, 4 space. After that, the j value incremented by 5, but 5 less than or equal to 4, condition false. So the space loop will terminate. Now it enter into the star loop. In star loop, how many stars we need to print? Only 1 star. So I'll print 1 star. After that, j value can incremented by 2, but 2 less than or equal to 1, condition false. So just it comes out from the star loop. Then you need to print the new line. Yeah, this is the new line. Then space value is decremented by 1, so it is 3. Star value is incremented by 2. Now I value is incremented by 1, so 2 less than or equal to 5, condition true. Here we need to print 3 space, 1, 2, 3. How many stars? 2 stars. So 1 and 2. After that, print new line. Okay, then update your space and star. Space is 2, star equal to 3. Then your I value is incremented by 3. 3 less than or equal to 5, condition true. So in this line you need to print 2 space column, 1, 2, then 3 star, 1, 2, 3. Okay, after that, so print a new line. Okay, then you need to update your star and space. Your space is decremented by 1, then your star is incremented by 1. So now your I value is incremented 4, 4 less than or equal to 5, condition true. In this case, you need to print 1 space, then 4 star, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that, so create a new line. Then you need to update your space and star. Space is 0, star is 5. Okay. Then your I value is incremented by 5, 5 less than or equal to 5, condition true. So you need to print 0 space. 0 space means j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 0, condition false. So j less than or equal to 0, condition false. See, j equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to space is 0 in this case. So the condition is false, so it won't enter into the space loop. But in our case, in our star loop, j equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. So it will print 5 stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, create a new line. Okay, then update your space and star. Your space is -1 and star is 6. But here in your outer loop, 6 less than or equal to 5, condition false, so it stopped. Further our iteration won't run. So this is we are getting whenever our input is 5, and this is what we need as well. So when your input is 10, it will work fine. When your input is 15, we have written the globalized code. Okay, I hope you have understood this video. So I will catch up in next interesting problem, guys. Until then, bye bye, take care.